Okay, students, so here we have our SWABAT goal for the day. Students will be able to make a Google Slides presentation. Google Slides is like Google's version of PowerPoint. If you've ever used PowerPoint, it's what adults out in the business world use at work to present ideas to their boss, sales presentations, things like that. People use Google Slides and PowerPoint to present photos at a wedding, a photo slideshow, or students like you use it to create assignments to present in front of the class. All right, and we have a little information here about Google Docs. There's some confusion. Google Drive, right here, that is your space you can save things in up in the cloud. It's like a thumb drive or jump drive or USB drive up in the cloud. And then there is Google Docs, which is like Microsoft Word, Google Slides, which is like PowerPoint, and Google Sheets, which is like Microsoft Excel. Anyway, let's get started. So here I'm at Google, and right here is the icon for apps. I click on apps and I go to my Google Drive. And here I am in Google Drive, and here are those documents you just looked at. And I'm going to go to Create, and I'm going to go down to Presentation. And the first thing, presentation, which is the Google Slides presentation. Sometimes it's called slides, sometimes it's called presentation. The first thing it asks you to do, it presents you with choices of background themes. Remember that word theme. And there are several choices, and right now I'm going to choose khaki. And I usually wear khaki pants that look just like that. I'm going to click OK. And here we go. We're started with our first slide. It says click to add title. I'm going to type all about me. And then you're going to click down below and type your name, Mr. Newcomb. So of course you're not going to type Mr. Newcomb, you're going to type your name. And I'm going to click on slide number 2. Here we are at slide number 2, and I want you to tell me about your family. My family. That's whoever you want to tell me about. I will tell you about these people. Jen, and she is my wife. So I want you to name and give the title of each person in your family. And then I have Joe, and he is my son. He's in college now. And I have Polly, and guess what? She is not a human. She is my cat. And there's a little bit about my family who lives in my household under my roof. And from there on, you get to tell me about your favorite things. So you can type my favorite foods, for example. And these other slides you can use to describe more and more of your favorite things. Favorite team, favorite TV show. Let's see, let me concentrate on food. So I love pizza, and I love burgers, and I love steak. And then let's see, let's do favorite ice cream. Or just let's put desserts. And remember, desserts has 2 S's because you always want more with 1 S. It's desserts. My favorite desserts, and I'm going to put ice cream, pie, and cake. Let's go back up to my favorite foods. And I'm going to go to Insert because I want to find pictures to add to my presentation. And here I am on Insert, and I'm going to click on Search. And here I'm going to put in pizza and press Enter. And I'm going to grab this pizza and select it, and it should come straight into my presentation. And it's gigantic. It covers all my words. I want to resize this. So my mouse is going to go to this corner. I'm going to drag it down and shrink it down. And there's pizza. Yum, I'm getting hungry. And now I'm going to go to Insert again and Image again, and I'm going to put in cheeseburger and press Enter. Let's try again. Cheeseburger. Let's just try burger. No images found. Click cancel if that ever happens to you, and I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Oh, and there it came. I don't know what happened. And let's pick this guy right here and press select. And here it comes. And I'm going to shrink it down and put it right here. And next I'm going to insert another image. And you guessed it, steak. Enter. And let's pick this one, steak and asparagus. I love that. I've had that about 10 times this summer. And here it comes. And it's turned sideways, so I'm going to rotate it. And that looks like a nice steak. It looks very delicious. Maybe it's upside down. Hold on. Let's try to rotate it. I'm going to undo. This is the undo button. Undo, undo, undo. And I'm going to rotate it the other direction. That looks more correct. It just seems like that's the up and that's the down. And I'm going to resize that and shrink it down some more. And you can arrange your pictures however you want. And there's my steak. There's my burger. I like to overlap them. And there's my pizza. Here, you could also insert ice cream pictures. Now, what about family? Now, I don't have any pictures of my family on the computer, or my son, or my cat. But if you wanted to find a cat that looks like your cat, or a dog that looks like your dog, you're welcome to do that. And you may also, after you've added any pictures, you can make as many slides as you wish. I would like you to at least make this many slides. But before you leave today, go to where it says Untitled Presentation. Click there and title your presentation, All About Me. You can put a hyphen or a dash, and then I'll put my name, Mr. Newcomb. And I want you to put your name there. And then I'm going to click OK. Now you can see it's been titled, and all changes have been saved to the drive. If you notice that, very quickly, it makes all changes as you type them. So that solves all the problems of saving, doing save as. You don't need to do those things as much with Google Docs. Things save automatically in Google Slides, Google Presentation, Google Sheets, Google Docs. Everything saves to your Google Drive automatically. And that means you can also go home and log in with your 99 student ID number and continue working on these fun assignments from home or from a Chromebook at home, a Chromebook at school, the computer lab, wherever you have Google Chrome on a computer or a tablet or a device, you will have access to your documents that you've created anywhere you've created them, and save them to your Google account. And all those things will be available to you to keep working on. So that's it for now. I hope this helps. It's a 8-minute video. Thank you for watching the entire thing. Okay, bye.